So here's the question. Can wolves drink tea? Hot tea. Good though. Anyway, good afternoon. Figured, hey, look at that, I brought some ice with me. Figured today was a kind of a dark and dreary and cool day. Be a good day to sit down, have a glass of hot tea. And, well, salad isn't exactly the best match with the cold weather, but good though. So I thought I'd take a few minutes just to talk about, well, just life. I think this is going to be a kind of a new addition to this channel here. I want to start getting more time with like cups of tea and stuff in the afternoon. Well, this is a little hotter than I expected. It'll cool down. But yeah, just relax and chat about things. So, got some interesting stuff coming up this summer. A big project coming up back at the home base too here that just came up yesterday. I got a letter in the mail. I've got a big storage unit, an extra space storage facility. It used to be a store yourself. It became an extra space, unfortunately. And I just got a letter in the mail yesterday that as of July 1st, the price is going up $40 a month. Ugh. 40 bucks. I'm already paying $280. Now I'm going to be paying $320. Unbelievable. Well, no excuse for it to go up that much. And it just went up not that long ago. It's like every 6 months they do a giant leap in the price. So I got to get rid of that storage unit. I'm not sure how yet, but I have to get rid of it. So I'm going to have to start doing some cleaning in the in my parents' basement there to clear out some space to see if I can bring as much of the stuff home. Of course, I haven't been up there in over a year. So I can tell you right now, I don't really need what's in there. But, so, I'm going to dispose of a lot of it too. But there's some nice power tools up there, belong to my grandfather. Table saw, drill press, bandsaw, things like that. It'd be nice to bring those back and have access to them when I'm doing some of the work on my van, Wolfman Jack over here. So that's going to be a focus in June. And I don't know, maybe I'll include some of it on this channel. It's not camping adventures, I know, it's just about me. But guys, any interest in seeing more of the stuff that's in the background of my life? Stuff that's happening back at home and those kinds of adventures? Yeah. Wouldn't mind getting rid of a lot of that stuff so I can spend more time in here. So, that's something to work on. Yes, there's another van driving behind me. Oh well. Good salad. Not exactly salad weather, but oh well. It's like 58 degrees right now. But anyway, well, that's one thing going on in my life. I'm just trying to figure out how to do a better awning for this van. Canopy is nice, but it's too short. Doesn't go over the door properly. So I had to keep it offset, so if it's raining out and I have to step outside, there's no cover over the door. So I know there's some nice awning designs out there, but they're pricey. I know there's some inexpensive ones, but they're too small. So do I do a DIY awning? Just a tarp and some PVC pipes and metal poles and that folds out and sets up that way? Do I buy something? Anybody have any suggestions? I saw one on Facebook today that I really liked. But it's $650. No way I'm paying that much for it. See if I can find it again here. They saved it, so let me see if it's saved correctly here. Let's see. Saved. There it is. It's called the Moonshade. Moonshade XL. See if I get the picture up for you. I don't know how well you can see that, but that's the Moonshade. Kind of like half a canopy with just 2 legs, and the other side attaches to that, and it looks like it'd be quick and easy setup. There's no way I'm paying $650 for something like that. It's not worth it. About a quarter of that price is all it's worth, but $125, $150, that I'd pay. $650, no, not going to happen. But that's the kind of idea I want. Something quick to set up, doesn't take up much space in the van, and will attach right to it, preferably to the roof rack crossbar system with the spotlights on it, so the lights will be under the canopy. That would be good. Something else I'm working on. So, other than that, not a whole lot here. Just enjoying the quiet here anyway, except for some weird noises coming off in that direction. Sounds like somebody's got some test ammunition thing going on. I don't know what's going on over there. Oh. Yeah. I do like myself a nice little afternoon tea, and I want to start doing this more often, so probably going to see more of these talks coming up in some of my future trips too. Let's include what's going on in my life. So, yeah, let me know if you guys want to see more stuff not trip related on this channel or not. I know a lot of you watch because you want to see my adventures and see the nature scenery and the campgrounds, that, and I can respect that. I completely agree that that's some of the best parts of my channel, but do you want to see more stuff going on in my life? That's the question. I can't believe I just whacked myself in the nose with a piece of lettuce. Anyway. A little bit of breeze, okay. Yeah, I don't know. I'd do something about the awning. I do a lot of work on the build in the van yet, but I'm not going to have any time to work on the van this month, for June here, because like I said, I got to get this project done. I got to get that storage unit emptied. It's costing me way too much money. I mean, I don't have much to begin with. When I first got that storage unit, it was like $150 a month. And I had plans to set up like a workshop area up there and store my snowmobile off season and everything else, and I had to use it as storage space for a lot of stuff from my uncle's house, which included all my grandfather's tools and that when he passed away, and now it's just filled to the top with junk. So I have to try and enlist some help too to try and get that cleaned out, because this is going to be a big project, and if I want to try to get it done before the end of the month, good luck. I might have to grin and bear it and pay the extra $40 in July if I can't get it cleaned out in time. It's going to be a big project. And I'm trying to make money too. Not easy. Yeah, sitting here watching me talk, eating salad. I don't know how exciting it is for you guys, but let me know. I see more of this stuff too here. Little chats here, just let you know what's going on in my life and every now and then. Just have things going on like what's going on with my storage unit. What's going on with van build ideas, camping trips. I'm working on a really fun project coming up here, though. I've got some trips coming up there where I'm going to be tent camping again. So, should be some interesting content coming up there, too. Take the Subaru out and tent camp for a few days. I'm looking forward to those adventures. So those are coming up. And we got the tent camping stuff coming up. Got lots of adventures with Wolf Van Jack coming. Lots of attempts to make more money. So I can pay for all these things. But YouTube's been doing okay. I've been getting... Some of my ham escaped. Oh well. Team's been doing okay. I've been getting a little money from that. It's helping pay for some of these trips, and I appreciate all the gas everybody's been buying. If you want to help out in that and help see more of these adventures, put down on the bottom of the screen, buymeacoffee.com/LWWolf. Every penny goes back into helping pay for the gas, campsite reservations, anything. So buy me a gallon of gas and help me get out on more of these adventures too. Yeah. Anything you guys want to see more of in this channel, I'm going to be doing, like I said, more van build stuff coming up. I've got some cool stuff that may or may not interest some of you coming up, but some of you I'm sure will probably find this stuff interesting. So I'm taking a little bit more of a technology spin on things. Some of my ham radio stuff. I got some really cool ideas for a computer build that I'm going to be working on for inside the van, for both video editing and my day-to-day use stuff. I got some great ideas. I'm not going to talk about any of what I'm planning yet, but this is going to be a fun project. It's going to take some time for me to put it all together, some time, some money, things like that, but just wait for that one. So, yeah, just some interesting things coming up. And, of course, I want to start getting outdoors more, too. More outdoor time. I don't want to just stay cooped up inside the van all the time, so part of my goal is to spend more time outdoors this year, too, so more hiking, things like that. And even when I'm not traveling, I want to start hiking some of the local places, so you'll probably see some of those coming up on this channel, too. So, adventures coming, content coming. But with this big project in the storage unit, I'm not sure how much editing time I'm going to have in June and that, but we'll try to balance everything out. Work, storage unit cleaning, editing, adventures. It's going to be a balancing act, but we'll get through it. Everything's wet out here right now. But yeah, this is where I want that awning to attach to. I actually want to attach to that bar that's holding the kayak over the floodlights, so they'll come down inside the awning area, and I want it to come all the way out here. So that's the project, one of the projects I want to work on this year, is an awning design. That would be nice, because right now I have to go outside from under the canopy there into the rain to get into the door, because as you can see, this is as high as this canopy frame goes up, and it's below the door line, or below the roof line I should say. So yeah, I got to work on that. Not sure what I'm going to do there, but I got to come up with some solution here for that. Oh, lousy weather right now, that's for sure. Good tea though, good tea. Gotta get some more honey. It was a good salad too. I haven't had one of those in a while, so that was good. But yeah, that's pretty much what's going on here. Just enjoying the quiet day here, except for the weird gun noises going off from that direction. Not sure what's going on over there, but enjoying the quiet, and got the tour video done here, at least of this campground loop. And yeah, we'll see. Might go for a little hike in a little bit. I don't know what that is. What they're doing down there. Anyway, not much else to comment on here, but we're going to try to do a few more of these every now and then. At least try to get one of these chats in every trip there. So keep you guys updated as to what I'm doing, what's going on, some of my plans for the van, some of the stuff that's just going on in my life outside of the van, and just catch up. So yeah, you can sit there, grab your own cup of tea and join me if you want, and just have a little catch up there. Oh, I can't wait to get that new fridge in though. I don't want to talk about it too much on here yet. I want to do a big reveal when it comes in here, but it's going to be a good upgrade for the van, trust me. It finally gets here. Right now, they haven't even shipped it yet. I got the tracking number and it just still says label created, blah. So I don't know when I'm going to actually get it, but hopefully before the next trip. Anyway, I guess this is pretty much it. Like I said, this is a pretty short video today. Just a quick catch up there while having some tea. And finding out if wolves can drink tea today. With that, remember, slow down, enjoy life, and always be kind. I'll talk to you guys in the next one.